covering Colorado's weather tonight and get ready for the cold to come in. It's 60 degrees out there right now, Dave. Tomorrow, different story.
Yeah, it's going to be kind of a shock after the beautiful weekend we had. Take a look at our numbers today. Boulder, you made it to 70 degrees today for the afternoon high. 66 officially at the airport. We were 68 downtown. But look at those beautiful readings. And if we look at the current temperatures, now most of us are in the 50s here, but look at this. Just up north in Nebraska over into Wyoming, those temperatures are dropping like a rock into the 20s, below freezing already. Gillette is at 9. That cold air extends all the way up into Canada here. Glendive, Montana right now, 4 degrees. So that big blob of cold is just coming right down the pike, right down the Rockies and into the Great Plains here, dramatically changing our weather for tomorrow. Right now, it's nice out there. 60 degrees in the city. It's 54 at the airport. Southeast wind at 8. Now, the wind is really going to ramp up tonight when this system comes through. Already, we're starting to see some things change for you guys up in Fort Collins, over into Sterling. Clouds are thickening up here, and there's a little bit of moisture starting to pop on the radar echoes. Some of that is evaporating before it hits the ground, but there's some light rain already developing. Colder air, though, will follow that up. So between now and midnight tonight, we see a little drizzle forming around the Denver metro area. By midnight, maybe moving into snow and changing over in Fort Collins up to Cheyenne. And then the rest of the Front Range between about 1 and 3 o'clock in the morning changes over to all snow. Tomorrow morning for the commute, a layer of ice, a little bit of snow on top of it. It'll be slick. And then look how fast it moves out here. By the afternoon, we're back in the sunshine. So here we go with the winter weather advisory. About 1 to 3 inches of snow for most of our metro areas. Not a ton of snow, but it's going to be on a layer of ice. That's what's going to make the driving tricky. 2 to 4 from Boulder up into Estes Park here. Add into that, I think we're going to have like 30 to 40 mile per hour winds when this thing comes through after midnight tonight into the morning tomorrow. Down south, Colorado Springs, Pueblo down to Trinidad, same deal. Not a bunch of snow down there, traced to an edge, but it's going to be on top of ice and a lot of wind blowing that around. Now, it's just going to be a Front Range and Eastern Plains event. Look at this. No big snows for the ski areas or out west as well. In the lighter shades you see here, maybe less than a ½ inch for eastern Colorado here, and then the darker shades go to about 1 to 2 here. And then this is what we're expecting around Denver. Down to Highlands Ranch, all the way up to Fort Collins, about 1 to 3 generally in this area. So a lot of that's going to be on the grassy areas. We're going to have a little bit of melting on the roadways. So that's what we're looking at there. And in some areas, again, from Boulder up into Estes Park, maybe about 2 to 4 up there. Overnight lows tonight, cold. We'll be in the teens in the northeastern part of the state, and highs tomorrow. Deep freeze takes over across the eastern plains. It lasts for only 1 day, though. Let me show you that. Drizzle developing tonight. Ice and snow, about 19 downtown, 17 at the airport. We'll be freezing for Veterans Day tomorrow. Morning snow on ice, and then afternoon clearing. And then looking ahead, look at this. By Tuesday, we're back to 60, warmer and sunny. Same thing Wednesday. A little dip on Thursday, and then back to 60s on Friday. So with the exception of Veterans Day tomorrow, most of those temperatures are above normal in the week ahead. Not too bad.
We have had so many of those, huh?
Oh, yeah. Monday, man. It's got a big target on it, I think.
It sure does.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dave.
You bet.
Well, a new report